Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the COWSAR and the Sweetcrispy. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenience for your home, kitchen, or bar. Let's dive into their features and see which one stands out. When it comes to price, the COWSAR ice maker is significantly more expensive at $679 United States dollars, while the Sweetcrispy offers a budget-friendly option at just $69 United States dollars. This stark difference raises questions about the features and quality you get for the price. Both machines boast the ability to produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making them efficient choices for quick ice needs. However, the COWSAR claims a higher daily production capacity of 26.5 pounds compared to the Sweetcrispy, which also matches this figure. This raises the question of whether the price difference translates into better performance. The COWSAR ice maker comes with a self-cleaning feature, which is a significant advantage for maintenance. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy is designed to be compact and portable, making it ideal for various settings like parties or camping. Each product has unique features that cater to different user needs. In conclusion, both the COWSAR and Sweetcrispy ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The COWSAR offers advanced features and higher capacity, while the Sweetcrispy provides excellent value for money. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.